Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. Guys, my name is Himanshu. I'm a CAT 99.74 percentiler. So guys, I'm interacting with you on the platform of Unacademy, and today we're going to answer one very important question, that should I apply to CMAT? ठीक है, क्या मुझे CMAT के लिए apply करना चाहिए? And guys, in this presentation, in this short presentation, I'm going to take you through the pattern, the strategy, and the colleges that you have on CMAT. And then obviously, you people can decide for yourself whether or not you should go in for CMAT. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. So guys, some messages. So what you see on the screen are name of some of the students who have really performed well and they studied on Unacademy. So like most of them have 99 plus percentiles. So guys, these are some of the batches that you can apply to. So the details of the batches are given on the slide. 11th, 12th and 13th of January are the starting dates. And guys, I hope you're participating in Unacademy Champions League that happens on alternate Sundays between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so guys, coming to the question whether or not should I apply for CMAT. So first of all, देखो CMAT की dates अभी भी open है. So you can see on the screen itself that the dates for CMAT are still open, and you can still apply for CMAT. The process is still going on, right? ठीक है, तो अभी हमारे पास हमें दिख रहा है कि 23rd of December से ये स्टार्ट हुआ है एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस, और ये 22nd of Jan तक एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस आपका चल रहा है. ठीक है, and then you can also see the last date of submission, so that is 23rd of Jan. So guys, obviously you still have time to apply for CMAT, and you can decide depending on how you performed on the previous exams whether or not you want to apply for CMAT. Now guys, the answer to the question that whether or not you should apply to CMAT is very simple. देखो, our first choice of exam is CAT, okay, then comes the XAT, and then comes the SNAP. Okay, but then due to certain unfortunate circumstances, we are not able to perform on CAT or XAT or both, and sometimes we think that even the SNAP result is dicey, क्योंकि SNAP का तो अभी रिजल्ट आया नहीं है, तो अभी वो भी डाइसी हो रहा है ना. ठीक है, so in that situation there is only one rescue that we have, and that is we write CMAT. Obviously some of you can decide to take a drop, but then the idea is that if you really want to take admission this year only, then CMAT is one option that offers you a wide variety of choices, because I think there are 25 decent colleges that are there on CMAT. 10 colleges are like the top notch colleges, and like then there are 15-16 colleges that would be considered not the top notch, but then still they are decent enough colleges to pursue your MBA from. ठीक है, तो सबसे बड़ा फायदा तो ये है कि जो CMAT में जो नंबर ऑफ कॉलेजेस हैं वो काफ़ी हैं. ठीक है, एंड इफ़ यू आर एबल टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, देन ऑब्वियसली यू कैन गेट इनटू अ डिसेंट कॉलेज, एंड यू कैन मेक योर करियर, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर करियर दिस ईयर इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, तो आपको ड्रॉप लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, और आप इसी साल अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, and we can see that the date for the exam is 22nd of Feb or 27th of Feb. Okay, now guys, there are two dates given, 22nd Feb and 27th Feb. So like we don't exactly know whether the exam is going to happen on both the dates. Okay, I believe that it's going to happen on one of the dates. Then there are two slots in which the exam will happen. And the slot is something that you cannot decide, so that is something that is given to you by the system itself. So 22nd या 27th में अगर अपन देखते हैं, so we have like something like more than 1 month. Okay, so you get enough time to prepare. So that is the good part, that even those people who think that their preparation is not enough have enough time to prepare. So guys, this is again one of the benefits that you get on CMAT, that you have so much time that you can actually prepare all the topics, even the topics that you are not very good with. तो काफी टाइम मिल जा रहा है. ठीक है, और हम उन टॉपिक्स को भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं जो हमारे शायद अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे उतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है. ठीक है, so you can see total number of questions is 100. All questions are MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Total marks 400 है. ठीक है, that means every question has 4 marks का weightage. Duration of the exam is 180 minutes or 3 hours. So guys, we find that the duration is like you have enough time, right? Okay, like 3 hours. Okay, now when I compare it to other exams like SNAP, where you only had 1 hour, for that matter even CAT where you had only 2 hours, so this is like a pretty decent time duration. Like you have 3 hours, so you have enough time, I believe. Then you can see these shift timings are 9 to 12 and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so this is a computer based test and any of these shifts will get allotted to you. ठीक है, तो जो भी डेट को आपका एग्जाम होता है 22 या 27, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको इनमें से एक शिफ्ट में एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, या तो 9 to 12 या तो 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now for every correct answer you get +4 and for every wrong answer you get -1. Okay. So guys, this is the pattern of the exam. So you see quantitative techniques has a weightage of 25 questions, general awareness 25, logical reasoning 25 questions, language comprehension 25 questions, and then you have a total of 100 questions. Okay, so total questions 100 hai, total marks 400 hai, and you can see that all sections have equal weightage. Okay, so guys, now I think we all know about the first three sections. We know that, okay, what quantitative technique is all about, what logical is all about, what language comprehension is all about. So let me just give you some idea about the general awareness section. ठीक है, अब देखो मेरे कुछ observations हैं, ठीक है, जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. Now a lot of people are scared of this one area, that is general awareness, because I think this is for the first time a lot of us are actually looking at this area, because in many exams like CAT and ZAT, okay, like you did not really study general awareness, so like this is something new. Okay, so now let me give you a strategy as to how you have to prepare the general awareness on CMAT. Now first of all, the general awareness that you see on CMAT is not the typical general awareness that you see in Indian Administrative Services or banking. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो आपका questions है generally काफी, मैंने जो स्टडी किया मुझे काफी नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस लगे. लाइक यू कैन हैव क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम लेट्स से द टैगलाइन ऑफ अ कंपनी. Okay, you can have questions on headquarters of a particular company. ठीक है, like generally जो business based questions होते हैं आपके, ठीक है, you can have questions on let's say new products. Okay, so and so company has introduced a new product. Okay, name the product. You can also have questions on like who is the CEO of the company, who is the president of the company. Okay, then you can have questions on economy. Guys, economy को बहुत focus करना है, ठीक है, so you have to look at the recent developments in the economy. Okay, जीडीपी के जो फिगर्स वगैरह हैं, ठीक है, ओके, लाइक किस कंट्री की सबसे ज्यादा ग्रो हुई. देन यू शुड आल्सो हैव अ लुक एट द डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिक पैरामीटर्स, ओके, दैट आर जनरली बीइंग डिस्कस्ड. सो होता क्या है कि हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है, बट देन वी समटाइम्स like really don't look at those figures. Okay, then there are a lot of things, okay, which are related to economy that you should focus on, because economy and business are going to be two areas where you can get a good number of questions from. ठीक है, so I've already talked about taglines and all that. ठीक है, so आपको in general भी जैसे अभी जैसे आपने पूछा कि okay, which country has the maximum investment in India. Okay, then again, if I ask you that let's say a new company has a joint venture with Tata's, name the company that has recently got into a joint venture with Tata's. ठीक है, या फिर मैंने आपसे इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर के ऊपर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, मैंने आपसे पूछ लिया कि इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में अभी जो न्यूएस्ट प्लेयर है वो कौन सा आया है. ठीक है, तो यार ये बड़े बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. दीज आर दी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कैन इजीली सर्च ऑन द इंटरनेट. ऑल्सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज एनी बुक ऑफ बिजनेस जीके. ओके, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बुक्स अवेलेबल इन द market. You can purchase a physical book, right? Okay, and I think this is something that you can really do very easily on the Google itself. Okay, but then you have to just have a focused mindset that आपको business और economy से related जो चीजें हैं, जो developments हैं, वो पढ़ने हैं. ठीक है, and there are a lot of books, there are a lot of content provided by different institutes. Okay, you can use that also, and the focus should be business and economy. So ये एक चीज है हमारी जो हमें देखनी है. Polity, guys, is not that important, but then yes, you can always look at the like some of the things. Okay, but then I think this is not something that's getting asked that much. Okay, new developments in science and technology. So guys, ये बहुत important है. People in news and new developments in science and technology. So इसका देखो मैं थोड़ा सा आइडिया देता हूँ. देखो, you have questions on science. Okay, like when I say science, okay, science is a very broad area. It includes biology also, it includes chemistry also, it includes the recent developments, the recent scientific developments. ठीक है, also. ठीक है, अब जैसे suppose करो कि अभी recently आपकी बात चल रही है vaccines की. ठीक है, so you can just look for the name of the company that is manufacturing the vaccine. What are the companies that have really crossed the trial stage? Okay, what is the budget allocated. Okay, so very basic things about the recent developments of science and technology. Okay, then there are questions that are based on static GK from science and technology. For example, which gas is used for the purification of water? Okay, what is the composition of ozone layer? Okay, I can ask you which is the gas responsible for global warming. Okay, what is the meaning of the term biodiversity? What are the zones in India that are considered as the biodiversity zones? ठीक है, तो यार थोड़ा सा common sense हमें लगाना है. We have to use, guys, what I'm suggesting here is this. See, once you know that science and technology, business, corporate affairs, economy, news related to the recent developments, okay, so they are all important. अब देखो इसमें एक चीज समझना, स्टैटिक जीके का एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट है ना, स्टैटिक जीके का एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट है, ठीक है, बट स्टैटिक जीके की जो डेप्थ है, ठीक है, वो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. लाइक द सॉर्ट ऑफ जीके दैट वी आर गेटिंग हियर इज वेरी इजी टू डू. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, if there's a new project started by Elon Musk, okay, so like you can get a question on that, okay, or you can get a question on, let's say, cryptocurrency, okay. So काफी ऐसी चीजें like which we will normally see, observe coming in the newspapers, and maybe some news item that you have seen, let's say 2-3 months, 4 months, 5 months back, okay. तो ऐसी चीजें हमें थोड़ा सा बस नोटिस करनी है, ठीक है. एंड फॉर दैट ऑब्वियसली यू कैन यूज योर इंटरनेट, okay, and you can also purchase the online content, or you can also purchase the content available in the market, ठीक है. So you can use all that to actually look at these areas, ठीक है. तो साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया है. सम ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी फ्रॉम साइंस बैकग्राउंड, ओके, वुड रियली मेक सेंस ऑफ इट, ठीक है. ह्यूमन बॉडी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, मिनरल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, ठीक है. एंड गाइस, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू व्हाट यू कैन एक्चुअली गिव इन जनरल अवेयरनेस, बट देन वी जस्ट हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज आवर प्रिपरेशन इन मिनिमम टाइम, ठीक है. पीपल इन न्यूज की बातचीत कर लेते हैं. देखो, every year there are certain people who are in news, okay, like they're important people, they have done something, okay, there's a major discovery, कोई Nobel Prize winner है last year का या last 2 years का, ठीक है, या कोई recent कोई डेवलपमेंट हुई है, कोई पॉलिटिकल लीडर है जिसने कोई बहुत बड़ा क्राइसिस सॉल्व किया है, ठीक है, तो उनको हमें थोड़ा सा देखना है. मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस के अंदर एक जो क्वेश्चन मैं काफी देख रहा हूं वो है आपके बुक्स एंड राइटर्स पे, ठीक है. तो बुक्स एंड राइटर्स, गाइस, बुक्स एंड राइटर्स, ठीक है, कि सो एंड सो बुक किस राइटर ने लिखी, ओके. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गो थ्रू द लिस्ट ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट बुक्स एंड राइटर्स, गाइस. सो दीज आर some of the suggestions from my side, and obviously you can use your own common sense to actually study GK, but then my only advice is don't get very deep, okay, like keep it very basic, okay, and just try to do as much as possible, okay. So guys, coming to the colleges, अब देखो colleges की अगर अपन बात करते हैं, ठीक है, so what you see on the screen are the top notch colleges that you have on CMAT, okay, top notch colleges. So you have BIMTech, okay, we have Jim Goa, okay. Jim Goa is a very good college, okay. You require something like 95-96 percentile on the CMAT to get into Jim Goa. KJ Somaiya, guys, is a fantastic college. IMT Nagpur is also a decent college, okay. IMT Ghaziabad accept नहीं करता, लेकिन IMT Nagpur accept करता है. Great Lakes, I don't know, guys, how many of you have heard of this college? Great Lakes बहुत अच्छा college है, it's a fantastic college. You can actually apply to this college also, okay. Wellinger has like a cutoff of around 85 to 87 percentile on the CMAT, okay, and it's a good college, I would say, ठीक है. So एक अच्छा option है. JBMS is there, but then for JB you need a very high percentile of like something like 99.9 percentile, okay. Then Sydenham, guys, is a decent college. You can have a look at this college also. And Pumba is a very good college, okay. Again, you require something like 95 to 96 percentile to get into Pumba. So guys, यहाँ पे जो थोड़ा सा एक चीज हमें समझनी है, you can see that most of these colleges that are good colleges lie in the CMAT band of 90 to 95 percentile, ठीक है. And there are some best colleges that lie in the band of 95 to 100. So basically my target in CMAT should be to get 90 to 100 percentile के बीच में अपना स्कोर, ठीक है. Like obviously I would try to get into 95 plus or 96 plus, but then even 90 to 100 percentile would be a decent range. All these colleges that you see on the screen fall in the category of either 90 to 95 or 95 to 100, ठीक है. So the top 10 colleges that you have on CMAT will require you to get that much percentile. But एक चीज हमें ध्यान रखनी है कि अभी हमारे पास competition उतना नहीं है guys, because most of the competitive people have already performed well on CAT and XAT and like they're out of competition. So we are dealing with a crowd that is like that might not be that competitive. Okay, so there's a very good chance that you would get this percentile very easily. So don't compare it with the percentile 90 95 of CAT, because in CAT you always have a lot of competition, right? ठीक है, और लास्ट ईयर आप देखो तो 76,000 people approximately wrote CMAT. So ऐसा नहीं है कि CMAT लोग दे नहीं रहे. CMAT is given by a very large chunk of student population, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जिसमें आपको लास्ट तक भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी ओपन रहती है ना, ठीक है, एंड लाइक यू हैव एनफ टाइम फॉर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, so guys, what you see on screen now are the list of some colleges that are not the top 10, but then they come after the top 10. Like I would say that the next tier of colleges which are like decent enough, but then obviously not top 10, and they are also very good colleges to consider. और जनरली ये कॉलेजेस में उन लोगों को सजेस्ट करूंगा जिनको इसी साल एडमिशन लेना है, बिकॉज गाइज सी if you have not been able to perform well on CAT, XAT and SNAP, okay, then CMAT is the only option that you have. So now there are two choices to the students. They either take a drop or like they take a college this year only and they perform well on CMAT. So if you're not able to get into the top 10 colleges, guys, I would suggest that you look at these colleges also. They are also decent colleges. They will not give you the highest of the package, but then they will still give you a decent placement in the range of 7 to 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Okay, उस रेंज में आपका अच्छा प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पे भी हो जाता है, ठीक है. So you have NIBH, you have IFMR. जयपुर या लखनऊ गाइज इज अ डिसेंट ऑप्शन. अलायंस बैंगलोर, ISBM पुणे, BIM पुणे, ठीक है, NDM दिल्ली. If you want to get into insurance, okay, NIA, National Insurance Academy Pune is a good college. UPS Dehradun is also a decent college, guys. Okay, you can try this college also. Soil Gurgaon, ठीक है. So यार ये कुछ colleges हैं, ये जो आप screen पे देख रहे हो, है ना, ये भी decent colleges हैं. Like these are decent colleges. I would not say that like they are the best colleges, but then they are decent colleges, ठीक है. So these colleges they come in the range of 80 to 90 percentile generally. ठीक है. सो फाइनली अपन कह सकते हैं कि वी हैव 90 to 100 परसेंटाइल की रेंज में वी हैव अराउंड 10 कॉलेजेस एज ऑफ नाउ. एंड गाइज all the colleges that have a AICTE approval, they are slowly expanding to include the CMAT scores also. So you will see that a lot of colleges will take the score of CMAT eventually. Okay, so आप CMAT मैं कहूंगा कि दे दो, तो उससे क्या होगा कि अगर कोई कॉलेज CMAT का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है जो शायद अभी फ्लैश नहीं कर रहा वेबसाइट पे, तो देन यू माइट बी इन लक, राइट. सो अभी तो ये 10 कॉलेजेस जो हैं अपन ने देखे, ठीक है, लास्ट. सो दे आर लाइक डिसेंट गुड कॉलेजेस. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू हैव अगेन 80 to 90 परसेंटाइल की रेंज में, ठीक है, यू अगेन हैव दीज 10 कॉलेजेस दैट आर रिटन ऑन द स्क्रीन विच आर डिसेंट कॉलेजेस. एंड आई हैव नॉट prepared the exhaustive list. There are other colleges also that come after this list. Okay, so we can say that in totality 25 to 30 colleges, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 20 colleges mention किए हैं, but then अगर आप देखो तो 20 to 30, 25 to 30 colleges like are good colleges, and I think any decent student who gives his best shot, okay, could easily get into these colleges, ठीक है. So guys, that was my take on CMAT, and I hope this presentation will help you make a decision whether or not to write CMAT. Okay, I would obviously suggest you that you write it because you will have one more score to apply for colleges, ठीक है. तो एक score आपका और आ जाएगा, और एक अच्छी चीज है because obviously you have better options. Okay, so guys, that's it from me for today, and best of luck for any exam that you're writing. See you.